Myntri tenat ke Koit ke Khiah ikong Pynlong do ila kentat ya ke jingkeno ba ai tang ya ki bamon ha ke day bat karukom khot bat thung ya ke kam emergency ambulance service ha ka jela abakran begala patai khubor ke Myntri ke loong ba tenat ke kren Shai ha ke day bat ka jing Shakri ka 108 bat ka pentikna ba kamdon ka jing yai sha liang ha ke ba ya day bat karukom jin Kala kadawru bakala don lupa karukom kam ke Shai bat Khuid. Ikong amperin ila ongru baladep ban batai Shai ya baro kinong shimwai balashon ya ke marka ha ke website jong ke National Health Mission.
We are going to be bringing a 108 service that is going to be living up the image of life-saving services. I want to reassure everyone that we are trying our best to ensure that bidders do not get the impression that there is going to be any favoritism in our selection procedures. It is a laid out, transparent system. Marks have been allotted in the pre-bid meetings. The entire procedure was explained to the bidders. Already, marks have been displayed in the website of the NHM.
UMP ke Raja Sabha pada Presiden ke NPP ban